Listen, if you need a blueprint on how to create multiple sources of income, this is it. You got to get the Dream Stream strategy, folks. We lay it out plain and simple. I'm your co host, HT,
I'm CD Barnes.
and this is the League of Hustlers. All right, where we help you prepare to prosper. And this is just a quick episode. We just wanted to come back on. We hadn't done anything in a while, vacations coming up, all kind of stuff going on. But as a reminder, the Dream Stream strategy. Okay, we just released this book. It is straight to the point, no bars held. All right, uh, 70 some pages of getting straight to it. We cut out all the fluff, cut out all of the noise, and we put together a book that walks you step by step through how to create a source of income, and then how to double it up and triple it up, quadruple it up, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you got to this out. We're gonna leave a link in the description, but you have to check this out, bro. What are your thoughts on the book?
Yeah, it's definitely a must-have, especially if you're considering creating multiple streams of income.
Right,
Right, the book lays out a blueprint and gives you a repeatable process so you can lay out a stream of income. Right, then another, then another, then another, using
right,
this tried and proven format that we've laid out for you in this book, worksheets and everything included. And this is important because, right, multiple streams give you the ability to build assets, right? You
right.
can build businesses, stack your investments, create intellectual properties for yourself, not just stacking jobs, but actual building actual wealth machines. This book can very well help you propel your way into wealth, building a financial future for yourself.
Right. Just imagine what an extra $1,000 a month would do for you. An extra 2,000, an extra 3,000, 4,000, right? 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, right? This is what we're talking about. Um, just to keep it simple, right? What a lot of people should start off doing is coming up with all of your expenses, right? And this is one thing that's in the book. We talk about this in the book. Lay out all of your current expenses, right? We have a spreadsheet and worksheets that go with each chapter and sometimes multiple spreadsheets per chapter. But we give you the actual tools as well while we're talking through the book. We give you the actual tools to help track your specific situation, right? So imagine taking all of your expenses, right? Listing them all out and coming up with an amount that you need to hit, right? Let's say that amount of all of your bills is $5,000 for the month. Now, from there, you can work backwards towards finding a side hustle, right? Finding a stream of income that will help pay for all of those bills. Imagine having all of your bills paid for on automatic cycles, right? Every month, every week, you're getting paid. Every month, you're getting paid, and it's covering the $5,000 that you need for your bills. This is the intent of the Dream Stream strategy, right? Then let's say you want to buy a car, right? And the car, once everything is said and done with the car note and insurance, let's say your total comes up to $1,000, right, for the car and for the insurance. Now you go out and create another stream, okay? Or you double down on the stream that you've already created and just create another stream inside of that stream. Maybe that other stream is like another client that's now paying you $1,000 per month, right? An additional $1,000 per month. So that's the whole concept of dream streams, right? You come up with a dream and then you create a stream to cover that dream. Okay. So dream streams. Okay. Dream streams. Remember that. Go and pick this up. I'm telling you, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. I'm going through it right now. I constantly go through it. And this is from years and years of work, years of experience as well. I've created multiple businesses using this exact same strategy. CD has created businesses using this exact same strategy, and it's derived off of multiple entrepreneurs that we have spoken to that went through a very similar strategy. And what we did is from talking to so many entrepreneurs, we came up with this process. Okay. And really quickly, here are the chapters that's included. Okay. First and foremost, you have visualize success, then take accountability, then bridging the gap from where you want to be and where you currently are. Then we have selecting your opportunity, then plan, plotting, and strategizing, where we help you create a one-page business plan. Then we have the execute chapter. Then we have simplify and systemize, which teaches you how to automate your then we have maintain and optimize, where we teach you how to maintain that level of success. Then we have allocate your resources, where we go over like budgeting and allocating money into different places that's going to help you grow your money. Then we have realize success. Okay. So again, folks, we'll leave a link in the description. You got to pick this up. We're not just saying this because we created it. This is something that is actually so beneficial. Nothing has been laid out more plainer than this. CD, anything else, bro?
No, I think that's it, man. You definitely want to pick up this book, guys, right? We're getting out of just working for hour. You have to get out of just working for, trading your time for dollars. This book is going to help you build systems to where you can continuously get paid and level up. And you can still, have a job or, do time for, money as well. However,
Right.
this is going to help you build systems to where you can
Exactly.
get paid consistently.
And it's just that simple, folks. All right. So again, check it out. We're going to leave a link in the description. So let's get it. Let's go and follow for more.